Hi. One time I walked past my son's room and I found that he'd left a Slurpee container in his room with a bit of Slurpee left in it. And I thought, well, I'm not going to bloody get it out. He can do that himself. And I'll wait and see how many ants go to it, and then he can have a bigger mess to clean up. Anyway, several days later, there were no ants. And so this inspired me to do a little experiment. So this is my Slurpee experiment. There's a bit of ant action starting to happen here. I don't think there's any in there, and yet they're starting to come. And they're out there telling all their mates. Okay, the ant and Slurpee and sugar and water experiment. So as I said, I've got one container here with a bit of leftover Slurpee, and the other container here with the sugar and water. With, well, the ants here though, they're coming and going. They're coming and going. And you can see there that there's a few ants in there that keep going down to the water line and grabbing some more sugar and water. Over here in the Slurpee one, there's no ants and there's just dead ants. So that's a bit of a concern. Whatever is there in that Slurpee has killed multiple ants. Can you see them in there? Alright, so yeah, next time my kids go to get a Slurpee, a $1 Slurpee, I'm going to remind them about this.